Hey guys, this is just a quick video on a bumper I built for my car. I didn't start filming until about halfway through, but I've put some photos in, so hopefully you guys can catch up. How you going, guys? Just here giving a bit of an update. Just building a off-road bumper for my Landcruiser. It's coming along nicely. Just about to weld on some bracket for the tow chains and the skid plate underneath. That ties into the tow bar there. Tack those on, and yeah. So the welding's all done. Welded that mount on for the chains and the sides there. This is the swing out for the tyre carrier. It's all been welded up nice and neat. Welded on the gas strut mount. It's all coming up nicely. So yeah, keep you updated. Alright, so there's the tow bar inside, and now we have to join this plate to the tow bar. So what we're going to do, cut a piece of this Rio bar and sand down each end. Here's that piece of rod in place, nice and beveled, all the way around the tow bar. Take up that gap and tie it all in. Should be nice and strong. Alright guys, here's that rod welded in, or stitch welded in, the back there. And this is how it looks mostly assembled. Got the tyre plate there, pitch receiver, there's two little holes I filled there. They come out alright. It's all on gas struts. It stops about there. I'm going to possibly make a bit of a stopper on that side there. It's come out pretty nice though. Here we are guys, we've marked out the lights. We've drilled our 30mm holes on each end to make it nice and round, and we're going to match those up with the grinder. Holes are now cut, and we just have to smooth them out to line up with the curve. So I left a little bit of extra material on there, so we can file it out. Alright, our slots are all smoothened out, center's marked, and we'll put our light in, just like that. Mark the center of the light as well, should come up nice. Guys, we've got the light mounted, had to adjust it slightly out of center there. And we used a couple of little mounts there, just tacked on for now. That's pulled it in nice. Sits nice and flush against the bumper. And now it's time to do the hard side. The side that's got that in the way from the spindle. Alright, give you an update soon. Thought I'd give a quick update with the making these light holders. All I do is cut the desired length, center punch, and then we just drill it out, step drill, and just cut along, and that's it. And we just connect the hole to the outside like that, and that allows us to be able to move the light once it's welded at the top. Right, so light mounts are done. Very hard to get access inside, but they look pretty good now. Here it is, all powder coated and fitted up. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'm very new to YouTube and would love to start making some more videos. Give us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing.